Tiny silver Arctic lemming.
Medium spotted savanna pangolin.
Giant white savanna zebu. Small spotted savanna mongoose.
Giant black savanna aardvark.
This is a young brown farm animal, 842.
Giant golden savanna wild horse.
This is a small brown farm lamb.
Tiny silver Arctic glacier lynx. Tiny brown savanna badger.
Giant icy Arctic snow leopard.
Small gray polar Arctic hare.
Giant icy Arctic snow marten.
This is a kid goat.
Medium white polar Arctic fox. Large spotted savanna donkey. Medium spotted savanna aardvark.
This is a large black farm chicken.
Large black savanna aardvark.
This is a young brown farm animal, 911. This is a donkey.
Large frosted Arctic snow leopard.
This is a chick.
Giant gray savanna hyrax.
Tiny gray savanna zebu.
This is a cow.
Small red savanna zebu. Giant golden savanna yak. Large silver Arctic yak.
This is a duck.
This is a lamb. Ooh.
Giant white polar bison.
Large red savanna badger. Giant black savanna wild horse. Large red savanna antelope.
This is a rooster.
Large gray polar ice weasel.
Giant gray polar bear.
This owl. This is a donkey. Woo.
Large red savanna donkey.
Medium gray polar yak.
This is a farm cat. This is a pony. Tiny white Arctic hare. This is a medium black farm chicken.
Large snowy Arctic lemming. Large gray polar mountain goat. Large snowy polar Arctic moose.
This is a tiny sandy desert oryx.
Small gray savanna wild horse.
Tiny brown savanna porcupine.
This is a cow.
Giant icy Arctic hare. This is a small sandy desert sandcat.
Large spotted savanna hedgehog.
This is a large brown farm turkey.
Medium red savanna mongoose. Large snowy polar glacier lynx. This is a small brown desert Bactrian camel. Tiny silver polar Arctic moose.
This is a medium black farm duck.
This is a horse.
This is a farm cat.
Giant gray Arctic caribou.
This is a rooster.
Small white Arctic wolf.
This is a young brown farm animal, 9-18.
Medium snowy Arctic glacier lynx.
This is a young brown farm animal, 970.
Giant icy Arctic moose.
Large gray Arctic fox.
Tiny brown savanna camel. Large snowy polar pika. Giant gray polar Arctic wolf. Small white Arctic ibex.
This is a chicken. This is a cow.
Large golden savanna taja. Medium snowy Arctic polar bison. Medium spotted savanna mongoose. Small golden savanna llama. Giant icy Arctic muskox.
This is a young brown farm animal, 756.
This is a horse. There's everyone.
Medium gray polar snow leopard.
This is a chicken.
Medium gray polar wolverine.
Medium white Arctic yak. Giant red savanna antelope.
This is a young brown farm animal, 959.
Medium gray polar Arctic wolf.
This is a hen.
This is a tiny sandy desert mongoose.
Small black savanna okapi.
Giant gray savanna zebu.
Large icy Arctic muskox. This is a large sandy desert onager.
Tiny snowy Arctic moose.
Small silver Arctic ibex. Medium gray savanna armadillo.
This is a large black farm turkey.
This is a hen.
Giant snowy polar mountain goat. Tiny red savanna antelope. Small brown savanna mongoose. Small snowy polar mountain goat. Giant silver Arctic yak. Large golden savanna wild goat.
This is a medium black farm duckling.
Large white savanna wild goat. Tiny spotted savanna hyrax. Small golden savanna tapir. Large grey savanna hyrax.
This is a young brown farm animal, 771.
This is a small black farm chick.
This is a young brown farm animal, 990.
This is a farm cat.
This is a large black farm duck.
Giant snowy polar marmot. Small white Arctic polar bear.
Tiny, snowy, Arctic fox.
Small spotted savanna donkey.
This is a small black farm duck.
Medium grey savanna weasel. Small brown savanna tapir.
This is a small black farm cow.
Giant snowy polar wolverine. This is a cow. Giant golden savanna okapi.
Tiny grey savanna mongoose.
This is a tiny sandy desert goat. This is a young brown farm animal, 781.
This is a small sandy desert Gila monster.
This is a small brown farm chicken.
Giant white savanna taha.
This is a medium black farm goat.
This is a small sandy desert spiny lizard. Small snowy polar glacier lynx. Giant icy Arctic polar bear.
This is a large brown farm chicken.
This is a large sandy desert ibex. Medium red savanna ibex. Small silver Arctic ibex. Small silver Arctic ice weasel. Medium black savanna pangolin.
This is a medium sandy desert
desert hedgehog.
Large white Arctic ibex. Tiny red Savannah marten.
This is a young brown farm animal, 783.
Large silver Arctic wolverine.
This is a farm dog.
Medium red Savannah tah.
This is a tiny brown desert Bactrian camel.
This is a piglet.
Giant brown Savannah marten. Tiny silver Arctic polar bear. Small gray polar Arctic moose. Tiny red Savannah mongoose.
Small white Arctic ice weasel.
Medium snowy Arctic.
Large golden Savannah llama.
This is a piglet.
This is a medium sandy desert jackrabbit.
Medium black Savannah llama.
This is a farm dog.
This is a small brown farm dog.
Large icy Arctic lemming. Small silver Arctic polar bison. Medium red Savannah wild horse.
Medium gray Savannah badger.
Large golden Savannah badger. Large golden Savannah deer.
Tiny black Savannah weasel.
This is a medium black farm water buffalo.
Medium white Arctic yak.
Medium brown Savannah okapi.
This is a medium black farm ox. This is a young brown farm animal, 958.
Tiny snowy polar Arctic fox.
Small spotted Savannah ibex. Large white polar bison.
This is a small sandy desert gazelle.
Giant frosted Arctic pika.
This is a piglet.
Medium gray polar musk ox.
Giant gray Arctic caribou.
Small white Arctic marmot.
Medium red savanna wild horse.
Small snowy polar pika.
This is a young brown farm animal, 859.
Tyne white Arctic wolf. Large snowy Arctic polar bear.
This is a pony.
This is a rooster.
This is a pony.
This is a medium brown desert gazelle.
Medium gray savanna wild goat.
Medium white Arctic snow leopard.
This is a young brown farm animal, 868.
Large gray polar bear.
This is a chicken.
Giant brown Savanta badger.
This is a medium brown farm pony.
This is a goat.
This is a large black farm piglet.
This is a medium sandy desert gerbil.
This is a duckling.
Large gray savanna pangolin.
Medium white polar snow martin. Tiny brown savanna ibex.
Tiny gray savanna chamois.
Medium gray polar glacier lynx. Tiny gray savanna aardvark. Small red savanna markhor.
This is a large white farm goose.
This is a kid goat.
Giant white polar marmot. Giant black savanna marten.
This is a farm cat.
This is a young brown farm animal, 931.
Giant gray polar lemming. Large silver Arctic wolverine.
Tiny black Savannah donkey. Small red Savannah wild goat.
Giant brown Savannah wild horse. Tiny snowy polar lemming.
Tiny golden Savannah fox.
Large snowy polar bear.
This is a tiny sandy desert scorpion.
This is a horse. This is a horse.
This is a small brown farm chicken.
Large white Arctic polar bison.
Giant red Savannah bear.
Large white polar Arctic wolf. Medium silver Arctic marmot. Small black Savannah donkey. Giant gray Savannah wild goat.
Small black Savannah wild goat.
This is a goat. This is a rabbit.
Medium brown Savannah badger.
This is a hen.
This is a small brown desert meerkat.
Tiny silver polar bison. Giant icy Arctic moose.
Medium snowy polar snow leopard.
Medium golden Savannah ibex.
Medium red Savannah hyrax.
This is a small sandy desert kangaroo rat.
This is a goose.
Tiny snowy polar Arctic hare.
This is...
Medium golden Savannah ibex. Giant snowy Arctic pika.
Medium gray Savannah pangolin.
Tine silver Arctic wolf. Large silver Arctic glacier lynx.
This is a farm dog.
This is a small black farm foal.
Medium red savanna bear. Tiny snowy Arctic snow leopard. Small white Arctic muskox. Giant brown savanna, yak. Tiny white savanna wild goat.
This is a medium black farm ox.
This is a large black farm lamb.
Giant golden savanna, ibex. Large gray polar mountain goat.
This is a large sandy desert sandcat.
Giant brown savanna hyrax.
This is a pony.
Medium gray Arctic pika.
This is a duck. This is a duck.
Giant snowy Arctic mountain goat.
This is a donkey.
Small golden savanna tapir. Large spotted savanna ibex.
Large golden savanna hedgehog.
Giant snowy Arctic yak.
Tiny black savanna wild horse.
Tiny brown savanna wild horse. Large red savanna alpaca.
This is a farm dog.
This is a horse.
This is a young brown farm animal, 941.
Large brown savanna deer. This is a sheep.
Large gray savanna deer.
Giant snowy polar Arctic hare.
This is a goose.
This is a farm dog.
Large gray savanna antelope. Tiny brown savanna tapir.
This is a large brown farm lamb.
This
is a small brown farm piglet.
Tiny white Arctic snow martin.
Tiny brown savanna fox.
Giant silver Arctic mountain goat.
Tiny silver polar Arctic moose.
Small spotted savanna hyrax.
Medium black savanna pangolin.
This is a large black farm pig.
Giant gray polar glacier lynx.
Medium spotted savanna porcupine.
Tiny black savanna marten.
Large white savanna deer.
Medium gray polar wolverine.
Giant golden savanna zebu.
This is a goat.
Small white Arctic wolf.
This is a large sandy desert camel.
Small golden savanna fox. Tiny white Arctic caribou. Small silver polar glacier lynx. Giant brown savanna deer. Giant black savanna tapir.
This is a lamb.
Tiny white Arctic ibex. Tiny red savanna chamois.
Small silver arsenic no marten.
Giant gray savanna fox.
This is a young brown farm animal, 940.
Large red savanna yak. Tine white Arctic wolf. Large silver Arctic wolf.
This is a young brown farm animal, 778.
Small spotted savanna taha.
This is a young brown farm animal, 891.
Tiny gray Arctic marmot. Small white Arctic snow leopard.
This is a kid goat.
This is a pig. Tiny silver Arctic caribou. Giant golden savanna camel.
Medium spotted savanna deer. Large red savanna zebu.
This is a young brown farm animal, 845.
Tiny golden savanna mongoose.
This is a piglet.
This is a piglet.
Large spotted savanna wild goat.
Medium gray polar Arctic moose. Medium gray polar lemming.
Tiny red savanna tapir.
Giant white polar caribou. This is a large sandy desert Arabian wolf. This is a chicken.
Medium spotted savanna camel.
This is a small sandy desert gerbil.
Small gray polar pika.
This is a goose. This is a young brown farm animal, 765.
This is a chick.
Giant gray savanna marten.
Large silver Arctic lemming.
Small spotted savanna wild goat.
This is a young brown farm animal, 767.
Tiny snowy Arctic ibex. Tiny icy Arctic ibex.
This is a tiny sandy desert goat. Small black savanna okapi.
Giant gray polar snow leopard. Giant gray polar lemming.
Tiny grey savanna badger. Tiny spotted savanna deer.
Small white Arctic snow marten.
Small brown savanna chamois.
Giant golden savanna yak.
This is a small black farm goose.
Medium white Savannah pangolin.
This is a young brown farm animal, 752.
Small brown Savannah donkey.
This is a tiny sandy desert horned lizard.
This is a tiny sandy desert gazelle.
Medium snowy Arctic yak.
Medium gray Savannah taha.
Giant black Savannah wild sheep. Giant gray Arctic moose.
Giant red Savannah antelope.
Small golden Savannah marten.
This is a goat.
Giant gray polar Arctic hare.
This is a small brown desert sandcat.
This is a tiny sandy desert sidewinder snake.
Large gray Savannah hyrax.
This is a large black farm ox. This is a small brown desert striped hyena.
This is a large black farm turkey.
This is a small sandy desert snake.
Giant brown Savannah pangolin.
Tiny silver Arctic marmot. Medium silver Arctic polar bear. This is a large black farm rooster. This is a medium sandy desert fennec fox.
This is a medium black farm duck.
This is a pony.
This is a small brown desert jackrabbit.
Giant brown Savannah hyrax.
Medium black Savannah deer.
This is a young brown goat kid.
This is a small brown desert lizard.
This is a medium black farm piglet.
Large snowy polar reindeer.
This is a young brown farm animal, 897.
Tiny gray Savannah bear.
small brown Savannah hyrax.
Tiny black Savannah mongoose.
Tiny gray polar musk ox. Large white polar mountain goat.
Large golden Savannah pangolin.
Giant icy Arctic pika. Giant gray Arctic lemming. Large gray polar yak.
This is a medium black farm duckling. This is a medium brown farm foal.
Giant gray Savannah pangolin.
This is a rabbit.
This is a medium brown desert ibex. Large white Arctic ice weasel.
Tiny black Savannah hyrax.
This is a small brown farm duckling.
Medium spotted Savannah chamois.
This is a...
This is a young brown farm animal, 738. This is a young brown farm animal, 885.
Giant icy Arctic polar bison.
Large brown Savannah antelope.
Large spotted Savannah chamois. Tiny silver Arctic polar bear. Medium red Savannah wild goat.
This is a small black farm lamb.
This is a duckling.
Medium silver Arctic polar bison. This is a medium sandy desert fennec fox.
This is a young brown farm animal, 789.
Large snowy Arctic wolverine.
This is a small black farm rabbit.
This is a small black farm turkey. This is a medium black farm cow.
Giant golden Savannah badger.